Span America Medical Systems is pleased to introduce the custom Care Convertible series of pressure redistribution surfaces, a design which allows you to provide a therapy-ready surface for every bed in your facility, both flat deck and recessed frames, while significantly reducing rental costs. Flexibility has been designed into this next-generation pressure guard series. The standard custom Care Convertible, like the LAL model, easily converts to a powered surface with a simple addition of a control unit. In published studies, the non-powered and powered designs that provide the clinical underpinnings of the custom Care series outperform traditional powered surfaces in wound healing through stage 4. Each of the custom Care Convertible surfaces is distinguished by innovative design elements inside and out. On the inside are the Star Chamber air cylinders, part of Custom Care's exclusive closed air system that requires no refilling or maintenance. On the outside, the Custom Care Convertible is shear revolution. Its segmented top surface and proprietary shear transfer zone technology provide effective protection against the damaging effects of shearing. First, however, let's go to the heart of the Custom Care design. The Star Chamber air system is 60% air by volume, and 92% of the support it provides comes from air. By contrast, a typical non-powered reactive support sector is only 5% air by volume, and 95% of its support actually comes from foam. The solid blocks of foam inside typical reactive sectors inhibit ideal pressure redistribution and keep them from operating as a true air therapy system. Whereas air, which is fluid, provides a better combination of immersion and air redistribution, making powered therapies more effective. Air displaced by body movement is transferred to elasticized reservoirs, keeping the system in equilibrium, much like a powered surface does. Without effective shear-reducing intervention, the skin and deep tissues are vulnerable to shear-induced trauma at the scapula, sacrum, and heels. This is intensified when the head of the bed is elevated, pushing the user toward the foot of the bed. Under the downward pressure of the user's weight, tissue is compressed in the vertical plane beneath the bony prominences, trapping the skin. As the body moves, mechanical shearing forces are generated along the horizontal plane, causing damage deep within the tissue. On most surfaces, yet another occasion for tissue trauma or injury occurs when the head of the bed is lowered again. The necessity of manually returning the user to the head of the bed may result in additional shear trauma, risk of other user injury, risk of injury to caregivers, and the need for lift devices. Span America's solution to shear force trauma begins with the shear-reducing GeoMat top layer with over 800 individual pressure redistributing support cells and the ventilating action of the exclusive ring of air design, which reduces heat and moisture buildup on the skin. Above the surface of the mattress itself is the unique design of the antimicrobial bidirectional stretch cover made with Span's superior Lifespan fabric. Lifespan is extremely durable and cleanable and delivers outstanding resistance to chemical breakdown caused by bleach and other harsh disinfectants with its polycarbonate fortified coating. Beneath the scapula, sacrum, and heels lie the shear-minimizing bands of the innovative shear transfer zones. This design diminishes shear forces by allowing the user to glide smoothly forward during head-of-bed elevation. And when it's time to return the user to the recumbent position, the shear transfer zones minimize shear by helping glide the user back towards the original position. Microshear, the nearly imperceptible but damaging mechanical forces caused by the subtle, continuous shifting of position of an otherwise at-rest user, is also minimized by the shear transfer zone's design. Even rotational shear, caused when the user is pivoted from the lying to sitting position or vice versa, is minimized by shear transfer zone technology. Attaching the ruggedized control unit gives caregivers a choice of alternating pressure, with air cylinders inflating and deflating in alternating pairs, or subtle lateral rotation, which provides an effective alternative to excessive center lying. Custom Care Convertible surfaces incorporate a long and clinically proven line of Span America innovations. These include the supportive Safety Edge bolster design, which helps minimize the risk of falls and bed entrapment. The Custom Care Series, the latest chapter in the 35-year tradition of quality and innovation of engineering and research at Span America, where better science means better care.